What's up, y'all? It's Steve here again. Just going over some edge panels and multitasking, a really cool feature that some use and we should utilize more often on the Samsung devices. So basically, like I said, it's just an edge panel. If you look here on the right, you'll see it pop up. With the edge panel, what you can do is save some apps, multitasking, for example, and other cool features such as like weather and a lot of different widgets, so you can go through those. Just showing you how to use this. If you scroll down to your settings option and you want to search multitasking or edge panels, in this case edge panels, and it does pop up here, and if you see it's highlighted at the bottom, you just want to make sure that this is on. When it's on, you'll see it does pop up with the edge panel here, and you can change the color, you can do a few settings with that. So you want to make sure that's on. Once that's on, you can hop out of there and I'll show you how to use it. So one of my favorite features with this is the multitasking and having two apps handy at any point. So for example, if you have the YouTube and the Spotify here, so these are the two apps that I have open right now, and if I want to do a multitasking here, so I'll open that one and then I'll hit open split screen view, and then we'll hit up Spotify, and then we'll just continue with that. And then here, if you like these two apps, you have some features. So in the middle, you'll see the bar. You can swap them from side to side. And on the right hand here, you'll see add app pair to edge panel. Okay, so if you do that, you see that it pops up there on the right hand side. And what that does, you can see I already have one here, but basically just saves both of these apps as a future option. So if you tend to use a lot of apps multitasking, this is the way to do it. So when you do that, you just click it and it opens up in that option. So for example, you pop open your multi-tab and edge panel multitasking, and then you'll hit that one that you just saved and it opens both apps here for you. So it's a really convenient feature. I tend to use it a lot. As you can see, I have some of my other multitasking apps here, and definitely recommend it. So try it out, see how that works for you. If you have any questions about that process, please drop a comment in the link. I'll definitely do my best to answer you. And I definitely appreciate the new subscriber that I got here, and I'm trying to hit the 100 mark. So if you can like, subscribe, definitely subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And then comment always helps as well. Once again, I thank you for watching today, and if you have any questions, please hit me up. Thanks again, and I wish you guys a great day. Take care.